Good morning to everyone. I'm doing a vignette for the first time on camera as I'm putting it together, so we'll see how it goes. I have already wiped down this area. Starting with some flowers in the far corner. Going to put our tray in now. So look a little more centered. Looks pretty centered now, doesn't it? Have my little monkey clock. A little bit of flowers with a little spider. I don't know if I like it there or not. I think it's looking pretty good. How about you guys? It's not too big, it's not too small. Fits nicely in the corner. Has a lot of different interest in it. And let's move in a little closer and look and see what we have here. We have some sunflowers that I already have. And I had some little leaves, as you saw, that I laid on top of my sunflowers, or underneath my sunflowers. And I had some other shapes and color sunflowers here and here, and of course the flower arrangement in the background is all subcolors. And the little butterfly, my grandson made me. Of course, my little grandson probably weighs about 200 pounds and he's about 6 foot tall. But, you know, when your grandmother, they're all young to you. But it turned out pretty nice. Now, this was a zero cost project. Everything you see here, I already owned or had. Some of these items I've had for a couple of years. Some of them I bought this year. Most of the flowers were from this year. This flower arrangement here with the spider and the black and the orange, that was bought in the roses with glitter. I bought those last Halloween or the Halloween before, I can't remember. I've had them at least a year or two. And the little pumpkin and the kitty were from last year also. And the clock with the monkey, hasn't worked in years, and I've probably had it about, I don't know, maybe 15, 20 years. I've had it a long time. The tray I got last year also, and the little porcelain pumpkins was a gift for this year, and they're a salt and pepper shaker, but I like them, and they're working out great in my home decor for fall. And this little pumpkin, someone gave it to me end of last Halloween. She was done with it, and you know me, give me something, I'll use it next year. And I've had it since last year. I've never put it on. Well, I shouldn't say that. I may have put a video up on it. I don't know. But may or may not. But I've had it over a year and I didn't pay for it. So everything here has been a gift, or someone's given it to me, or I've had it for a while and it's been in videos. Please let me know how you think this turned out. Remember, my channel is designed for adults interested in gardening, home decor, cleaning, cooking, shopping, hauls, DIY projects, whatever Grandma comes up with. So let me know what you think of this. Kisses and hugs to all you awesome followers that are always there. I do appreciate all the love and support that they all give me all the time. Take care. Till the next video. Bye-bye for now.